Glad I recorded. I wasn't gonna bring the GoPro, but you got to. You got to, yeah. Can't see good. I'm gonna have to do something about this vision. About the vision, it's not good. Awesome line there. Came up with it. Glad I came up with it. Chug along, I guess. Take my time. Take my time. It's gonna be slick. These leaves, mud. My back brakes is a little squishy. Not gonna lie. Oh, I fucked myself. I lost my momentum. Fucking asshole. Now I gotta go back. Fuck. I think. Oh, hey. I didn't know about that hill, man. I lost all my momentum.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them just like it.
I'll let you catch up to me, Armand. I'm slick as snot. I think I'm gonna be sliding all over the place. I gotta learn my lesson about this. Lost. Definitely lost in the Lost Valley. Wrong way. Definitely that one with that hill. He was just turning around to get a run at it. That's what I gotta do. Actually, I should just do this. Glad I found you.
Yeah, just looped out halfway through.
Bro.
Yeah, that's greasy, bro.
It's slicker than snot.
Yes. Go for it.
I don't think I'm getting up that. I'll expel too much energy. I'm going blue. Oh shit.
Wait a minute. No, okay, yeah, that's
Dan?
Yeah.
Oh, like one of our guys?
Yeah.
Want to catch up to him?
We can try.
Hey, moron! Look at me! I'm the water boy, dude! I got a wooden spoon!
Are you Dan?
I'm Alan. He's Alan.
Alan? Oh, my bad. Someone back there thought we saw someone we knew, and I was like, oh no, he broke down, and it's not. Okay. Good luck, bro. Good luck. What's up, man? Dude, what the? Yeah, there's my buddy. I thought I lost him. Oh shit! Dude,
Fucking hill was sick.
you went right up that thing, tractor.
Had absolutely no problem.
Wow. Halfway I died. If it's like, it reminds me of Carolina Adventure World, and I crashed out a lot in the wet. I crashed out so much. I'm just tapping my brakes. Oh. I mean, could slide out any fucking second right now. So slick, this grease. Fuck, dude, how did he get up there? Look at this shit. Well, the outside line looks like, oh wait, that line right there to the inside looks like I get better traction on it. I just can't overthink this. Let's just do it. Come on, dude. Let's get in first gear. Second gear. Or yes, that's the line I wanted. That's my line. Oh, fuck. are you? It's all red marker. I don't know if that means anything. Come on, wet leaves, please. Wet leaves, please. Should let all the air out of my tires. Whoa, I made it! Holy shit!
You're done now, just having fun.
I'm just hanging on.
That's what it takes. Just ride.
Yeah.
I tell people I got something between my legs 95% of the time. That's the truth.
That's awesome.
That is the truth. Because I ride mountain bikes, I ride road bikes.
Yeah.
So just keep something between your legs and you'll be all right.
Oh, it smells good too. Oh. We gotta stick to this shit. I got Bob. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, Bob, get it. He's fast. I can't keep up with the faster old guys. I just can't. It's actually better grip right now. I let a bunch of air out of my tires and got a great grip now. Not really, but better than I was. Thought this was easy trail. And we pressured Bob into riding. He's good though. He's a good rider. I'm not worry about him. Worry about me. Worry about yourself, Jay. Worry about yourself, Jay. Where's Brian? I'm gonna wait up for my boy Brian. spin out the tires at all. Kicks off to the side. Slick. We gotta just keep going because he knows to go blue. So it's, I hope he's okay. I always worry about everybody because I worry about me too, and I don't want anyone to worry about me. It's slicker than snot! Oh shit! Oh shit! Wow, I thought that, are we on the red? I don't want to do these huge hills. They suck. They really suck. Tapping my front brake. I'm learning, man. I love it. I don't think I'm gonna. weight, Jay. Can do it. She's right behind me. She's behind me. I can't lose anybody. Fucking hauling ass right there. Oh, that's about it though. Scared with everything else. Is this Lucas? Team Blue, baby. I don't know how I'm doing this, but I am. Whoa, damn. I wanted to let her go, but she didn't want to go ahead of me. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, she got right up that. Shit! Ah! Holy shit! I'm fucked. I don't have E-start.
Huh?
No E-start. You think I can make it from here? Hold on. I'm gonna get on it.
Okay. I'll try to pull your front wheel around. Maybe if you can get it straightened up.
I will when I start it and get straightened up. You fucking right up that shit. I wasn't expecting it. No momentum.
I can't even get back up.
Ain't no way I'm making it up. Ain't no way. Yeah. You need a lot of momentum. We fucked this guy. Nope. Nope. Gotta go back down. Unless you can you get it from right there? No, I don't know. It's worth a try right there.
I'm gonna start from the very bottom.
Stop from, yeah, I gotta stop from the bottom. I don't blame you. Oh, that girl went right up. You had, we killed your momentum. You had it. I can't believe he's trying.
Yeah.
No, bro, we need a run up. Come on with us. Kidding me? He's like going up that shit. I think I need a run up. I gotta get out of these guys' way too. Just take your time, bro. Maybe I should wait and help you guys like at that point right there. Look at him, he's making it, bro. I don't know how he's doing that. What's that?
You got it?
That's the top, basically, yeah. Because she's right there helping. Get up this thing. Can't believe, look at him. Guess some more ways to get a run up again. Do it. went the wrong way. Going to go with the blue. Struggling too much. We thought we were just doing blue. I had to go around the hill. I couldn't get up it. They're all coming? Okay. Yeah, I know, it's a slick spot. Came out for another lap. I thought I was done, but it actually turned out to be more fun on this one because I'm not as not as like tense, I guess. Couldn't make that same hill. I couldn't get it. I almost got it, but I turned around. Well, I was following you, and then I was following Jenny, and then I passed her, and then she passed me going up that fucking hill. Dude, she passed everybody going up that hill. There were 5 guys waiting to get them, right, Lucas? Maybe 4 guys. 4 guys.
She's a good rider.
She's great. I was very impressed. Might have to do another lap. We'll be back for sure. For sure. When this is dry, it'll be so much fun. Today it was just hold on.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto Old North Carolina 18.